Hi there, I am Alex Cunningham, and I will walk you through this Squarespace tutorial step by step.
If you're looking to connect your social media accounts to your Squarespace 7.0 website, you're in the right place. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know exactly how to smoothly integrate your social profiles so visitors can find and follow you, boosting your reach and making your site much more interactive. Let's get started and make your website truly social. First things first, we need to dive into your Squarespace settings. If you haven't logged in already, go ahead and open up your site. Once you're inside the dashboard, glance over to the bottom left corner of your screen. There you'll see a settings option. Click on that. This might seem tucked away, but it's actually the central hub for customizing your site beyond the basics. Now that you're in settings, take a moment to scroll just a bit. You're looking for a section called Social Links. This spot is where Squarespace lets you add, remove, or edit all the social accounts connected to your website. When you click in, you'll notice you can enter the URLs or usernames for different platforms: Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, LinkedIn, or whatever fits your brand. Take your time here to copy and paste the exact links to your official profiles. Accuracy matters because these links will send your visitors directly to your pages, not just a generic home. Double-check each link. Sometimes a typo can lead people astray, and you definitely want your business to make the best first impression possible. Now, maybe you want your social media icons to stand out more. Right at the top of your site, Squarespace makes this easy too. Instead of the settings route, you can go straight to your site's main visual editor. Just click Edit on your website. This is where the magic happens, letting you change how everything looks in real time. Hover over your header section and give it a click. A small menu should pop up, showing options to add elements. Think of these as little building blocks you can place wherever they serve you best. In this menu, look for something called Social Links. If it's turned off, just flip the switch and your site will instantly show crisp, clickable social media icons right in your header. This part might take a few moments if it's your first time editing, so don't worry if you need to poke around before you see the right option. Whenever you see those social icons popping up, you can easily customize them. Click the icon, and you'll usually be prompted to edit the links. Again, super important for making sure your visitors end up on your actual pages, not somewhere random. You can even change the look of the icons to better fit your website's style, whether that's colorful or minimalist. If you run a blog, a business, or a portfolio, having those icons in your header makes it effortless for guests to check out your brand around the web. For those who prefer a subtle touch, you might like adding social links to your footer instead. Footers are great for keeping things professional and tidy, almost like offering a business card at the end of a conversation. Just scroll down to the footer in the visual editor, hit the Add Elements option again, and swap on those social icons. You can repeat the same steps to edit your links here as well, making sure every part of your site is connected to your network. And there you go. Your social media accounts are now integrated into your Squarespace 7.0 site. Your visitors will have easy access, and you'll be making the most out of your online presence. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give the video a like, share any questions in the comments. I love hearing from you. And don't forget to subscribe for more simple guides just like this. Thanks for watching, and happy building!